Hello everyone, welcome to Dun Investments fresh analysis video for month of May. Let's see educational wise what we can gain out of this analysis because this is not a trading or investing tip. So starting quickly and keeping analysis simple. Analysis एकदम simple रखने की try करेंगे. ऐसे कोई jargons use नहीं करेंगे जहाँ पर लगे कि सिर्फ गुरु लोग ही समझ सकते हैं. Normal traders को पता चलेगा कि why the analysis has to be very simple. एकदम simple analysis करो and let the chart and price do work for you. Okay, so starting with global indices, sentiments looking very bearish. Some panic around US because of Fed meeting. A Fed meeting में ऐसा decide हो सकता है that they might hike the interest rate by 50 basis point, which is not good for equity. Okay, so moving on with Nifty, as we can see, this is 1 hour time frame on Nifty, and what we can see is a trend line passing through it, which is acting as uh, you can see a strong resistance, a stiff resistance. यहाँ पर एक gap था. पहली बात तो Nifty में 1% gap up, gap down is normal, a new normal. Okay, now this has become more normal than a coronavirus cases in India. All right, so ये जो island जैसे chart है वो चलते रहेंगे जब तक सेंटिमेंट्स सही तरीके से स्टेबल नहीं हो जाता, राइट. So what we see is a trend line passing through it and we are forming a symmetrical triangle, a simple price action. अगर ये ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेक होती है, जो कि हायर चांसेस है ओपनिंग में ही ब्रेक हो जाए, वी आर ready to open a gap down unless and until tomorrow morning around 7:30 as per global sentiments of SGX Nifty, that is Singapore Nifty, might change or do something different. For now we are in for a gap down. All right, this is only for education purpose. I am not recommending any trade or investing. Okay, moving on. So if we open anywhere between 16,980 and 17,000 and sustain there for even 5 minutes, we are in for a big downside. Now when I say big downside, the first halt can come around 16,840. इसके नीचे अगर डेली में क्लोजिंग मिल गई, then more 300 points, and then the rally on the downside continues. Upside stiff resistance 17,375, 17,425, 450. ये जो गैप था निफ्टी ने कवर कर दिया है. एक बार यहीं से घूमी है. ये गैप बाकी था बट इट वॉज नॉट रेडी, इट डिडंट हैड एनी स्ट्रेंथ. इतना स्ट्रेंथ नहीं था निफ्टी में जो ये गैप जाके कवर करे. ये छोटा वाला एक गैप, वीकली गैप वाला जो था किस्सा, इसने पूरा कर दिया. यहाँ से ही रिटर्न. नाउ इफ आई शो यू अ डेली चार्ट, deleting all this thing, only two candles. If you are well aware about those candlestick patterns, only these two candles says a lot. Now what it is saying, it is saying a downside because this two candle is known as bearish engulfing, and if you know how to trade bearish engulfing, then this is the first sign of downside. Moving on, Nifty Bank, again the similar pattern in Nifty Bank, and then showing some more weakness than compared to Nifty. Why? I'll let you know further. Because major banks are not performing well. Kotak in a tight range. SDFC cannot go higher more than 1400 on a daily closing basis. 3 दिन से 1380 पे रुका था SDFC. So SDFC है हमारे radar में. We'll come back to it on later. But for now, Nifty Bank, if by chance we see any opening below 36,000, 60 points not a big deal for Nifty Bank. ऐसे ही खुल जाएगी. 60 क्या, वो 200 पॉइंट्स भी नीचे ओपन होने के हायर चांसेस है. निफ्टी के ही उतने हैं. बैंक निफ्टी इज इन फॉर मोर बिगर डाउनसाइड. ऑलराइट, सो द फर्स्ट हॉल्ट अगेन वुड कम अराउंड 35,500, 35,500 लास्ट टाइम जहां से ये घूमी थी, और ये ट्रेंड लाइन ने मेजर रिवर्सल पॉइंट दिखाया था, मेजर स्विंग. This are the major swing, and now if this two swings are taken out in live market, then be ready for a quick down move of 500 points more. That will get bank nifty to a psychological level of 35,000. Below that, just to take some stop loss or continue the downward momentum with heavy selling pressure, we might see 34,700 or iske niche go gone. New movie or new picture on charts. So This is Bank Nifty facing stiff resistance around 36,700 and 37,000 psychological level, and downside levels have been marked. Asian Paints daily chart analysis says that it was showing some stiff movement between this bullish rectangle box. It tried to break out, but it became a fake out due to some XYZ reason or a heavy profit booking. As we see, this trend line is acting as a resistance. So it took a resistance after a breakout, made it a fake breakout, and it came down again to the similar area of this बुलिश रेक्टेंगल बॉक्स. अब इसने ब्रेकआउट दिया है ये बुलिश रेक्टेंगल बॉक्स के अंदर ही फ्लैग पैटर्न बना के बुलिश एंगल्फिंग कैंडल के साथ नियर द ट्रेंड लाइन इट गेव अ ब्रेकआउट एंड now what the price is doing, now price is trying to, it has given a breakout, price is trying to rest a bit, retest, and might go up. Price will rest, it has given a move, it can rest for 1 or 2 days more, or it might retest. अब retest का higher chances है because market sentiments is not good, so price can retest. अगर यहाँ पर sustain हो गई then it will again try to move up. अगर यहाँ से trend line के नीचे close आ गया then forget about this stock or analysis. Moving on, Reliance. In 1 hour time frame, what we can see is a area of a stiff resistance again on the higher side. Now we can say it can be either a huge profit booking because Reliance ने 52-week high touch कर दिया, or it can be a profit booking for a week and then it might again move up. But looking at a daily chart and few analysis more using Fibonacci retracement and pivotal points or passing this trend line, we see a conjunction here at 27,700. रिलायंस अगर 27,700 के नीचे ओपन होता है, sustain there for 5 minutes, we are in and we will get an indication that it is a profit booking. Profit booking कहाँ तक हो सकती है? As per the move on a daily chart and some number ratio strategy, we can see a profit booking till 27,000, sorry, 2730, 2700 psychological round figure. Even if this is taken out, the Reliance would come here to make a double bottom at this particular level. So this zone, keep an eye on Reliance. If you get a chance to enter, we might, I mean, I personally might enter at this level and keep a stop loss here for a bounce back. If it is breaking it down in one move, one go, forget about this. Market sentiments is not good, so we are looking for more of a downtrend, downtrend stocks. So Asian Paints again, price will retest and move up. Reliance price will come and retest this zone, but इसी level के बीच में from 27,000, oh sorry 2700 तक एक profit booking आ सकती है, and what we are in for, we are in for 70 points downside. If you are an intraday trader, this 70 points will give an immense opportunity for you to scalp and book profit on intraday basis. And I would request you all, till May 10th, try to stick to intraday positions only. Why, you will come to know very soon. HDFC Bank, again, resistance zone, simple analysis. Okay, resistance zone, this one, this is support zone. What we are seeing is we are just in between this zone. Now what can happen? HDFC Bank, if gives a close about this particular level 1432 on a daily time frame or at least on 1 hour, then we might see a gap covering of this which is pending from long, and any close below this particular level 1323, we are in for more downside. So this zone will act as a support zone, this zone will act as a resistance zone. If you like the analysis, please do like the video, share it with your friends. If you're new here, please do subscribe to the channel. I will put my Telegram open for all channel link and Instagram channel link in the description. Please do follow and share it with your friends. Thank you.